A very good morning, students. Today we will discuss about the climate and vegetation of Asia. Climate is the weather condition prevailing in an area. The climate of Asia experiences variation due to the oceans, mountains, deserts as well as the varied wind patterns. Some areas experience extreme heat or freezing cold or strong winds, while other regions experience a pleasant climate. Based on the diverse climate, Asia is divided into mainly 8 regions. So, the area Verkhoyansk in Russia has recorded the lowest temperature is -50 degree, and in Jacobabad in Pakistan it was recorded highest temperature +55 degree, means the variation of 100 degree Celsius. The regions of India, China, Japan, there are heavy rainfall and there is rain in winter in Southeast Asia and in Sri Lanka. There are mainly region: equatorial region, monsoon region, temperate region, desert region, steppes, Mediterranean region and the taiga region and tundra region. First is the equatorial region. The equatorial region, the areas located near the equator experience a hot and humid climate with excessive rain. There are trees are found: mahogany, ebony, rubber, etc. and the animals, snakes, monkeys and different kinds of birds. Monsoon region. A large part of the Asian continent comes under the monsoon climate. Winters are very cold whereas the summers are very hot. The vegetations are evergreen and deciduous forest. Sandalwood, rosewood, sal, deodar, bamboo and teak are found. Elephant, tiger, rhino, deer, leopard, stag deer animals are found here. Next is the temperate region. Temperate region, it is characterized by cold winters and hot summer with some rain. Rainfall is very less as the temperate grassland region is too far inland to experience the effect of rain bearing winds. Animals of wolves, camels, wild donkey and antelopes are found. Next are the deserts. In desert area there is very less rainfall and summers are very hot. Palm trees and camels are found here in this region. Next is the steppes. Steppes, this region is temperature desert that covers an area from the steppes into across the Mongolian plateau. Desert type of climate is characterized by hot summers and scanty rainfall. Next is the Mediterranean region. This refers to the small coastline of Mediterranean Sea. It is characterized by hot and dry summers and mild and wet winters. Citrus fruit trees, figs and date palms are found here. Next is the Taiga region. The Taiga type of climate is characterized by cold winters and warm summers. The Taiga region experiences winters for 7 to 8 months, whereas summers are short and warm. Bears are found here in this region. Next is the tundra region. The tundra region, northern coast of Asia experiences tundra climate. The tundra region has long cold winters and short cool summers. There is hardly any rain, and whatever precipitation occurs is in the form of snow. Polar bears are found here in this region. So this was the climate of Asia. Thank you.